This video is about how we remove front and rear evaporator cooling coils for Mitsubishi Adventure. Note that the process is the same for Toyota Revo, Isuzu Crosswind, old-style Toyota Corolla and any other 1990s early 2000s designed version of auto air conditioning system. From our experience, this is the most efficient air conditioning system for automobiles in tropical countries. Efficiency meaning long life and minimal maintenance cost. The system design is simple. There are no fancy electronic switches. Just electromechanical switches and relays that can easily be repaired, replaced, or converted. Compressors that have their own belts attached to the engine. Auxiliary fans with electromechanical controls. Simple air conditioning suited for tropical countries. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more informative videos. We hope you learned something from this video. Visit us in Autocool Car Care North Fairview, Quezon City, and National Highway, Calamba, Laguna.